If you're looking for a really great coffee machine and look a little further, I love this one from Keurig. This is where you would put your coffee pod and close it in. Here are all the settings you can make a large coffee, medium coffee, you can even make an espresso. And I think there's even an option for iced. I prefer mine hot, but I love that there's different options for this one. And I also like that it is a bit larger and it has a very large water tank on the side. So instead of having to refill it really often, it just stays full for a long time. And here is how it would brew. Comes right out of this place. You put your cup underneath, it catches it all. And there's even that like splash drain thing on the bottom that catches anything. Definitely try it.